ClickUp CRM Honest Review, Watch Before Using. Welcome to my honest review of ClickUp CRM. Before we dive in, just a quick note. Links to the product are available in the description if you want to check it out yourself. Now let's get straight into it. ClickUp is primarily known as a project management tool, but its CRM functionalities are solid and integrated well within its system. It's designed for teams and businesses that want an all-in-one solution that combines task management, sales tracking, and CRM in one platform. The CRM features allow you to manage leads, track deals, set up pipelines, and automate workflows, all within a highly customizable interface. It's perfect for businesses that need both project and client management in one place. One of the standout features is its ability to customize every part of the CRM experience. You can create custom dashboards, set goals, and track progress in real time, which is great for managers overseeing large teams or handling multiple projects at once. It's highly flexible, which means it can scale with your business, but it also means there can be a learning curve for new users, especially if you're not familiar with advanced project management tools. ClickUp CRM is particularly suited for small to medium-sized businesses that need to streamline their operations without having to rely on multiple platforms. If you're a sales team working closely with project teams, ClickUp offers excellent visibility and collaboration tools, cutting down the need for constant status updates and meetings. That's my quick, honest take on ClickUp CRM. If this review helped you, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video to help others find useful information as well. Thanks for watching.